How to change your Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Fortnite username on your Nintendo Switch. Whether you want to update your name for fun or just want to switch it up, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the game from your home screen. I'm sure you know how to get there. Once Fortnite loads up, you'll need to be logged into your Epic Games account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Now that you're in the game, head over to the settings. To do this, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From there, go to settings and look for the account tab. Here's where things get a little different. You can't change your username directly from Fortnite on the Switch, so we'll need to visit the Epic Games website. You'll see a message prompting you to go online to change your username. So make sure you have access to a browser either on your PC or phone. Go to epicgames.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to account settings. Under account info, you'll see your current username. Click on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. Enter your new username and click on save. Make sure your new name follows Epic Games guidelines to avoid any issues. After that, now that your username has been updated, go back to your Nintendo Switch and restart Fortnite. Your new username should show up when you log back into the game.